Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into some of the coolest and most practical bike gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend rider, or cycling enthusiast, this list of 20 cool bike gadgets on Amazon will instantly upgrade your riding experience. From smart lights and security to handy repair kits and sleek bags, we've got you covered. Stick around, check out these awesome finds, and make your next ride smarter, safer, and more fun. And yes, all the links to these gadgets are down in the description for you to explore. Let's get rolling. Number 1. Ever been stranded on a trail with a flat tire or a loose chain? That's where the Bike Repair Toolkit comes in. This compact kit packs wrenches, tire levers, hex keys, and more into one sleek, portable case. Built from durable steel and lightweight materials, it keeps you prepared for any bike emergency. Trust me, having this kit in your bag means no more ruined rides and zero stress when something goes wrong. Number 2. Tired of fumbling for your phone or snacks mid-ride? Meet the Rhinowalk Top Tube Bag. It's crafted from water-resistant, sturdy nylon and fits snugly on your bike's top tube. With multiple compartments and easy-access zippers, it keeps your essentials organized and secure. Perfect for long rides or city commutes, this bag makes grabbing your gear effortless and keeps your focus on the road ahead. Number 3. Riding at night with minimal visibility? The LED bike frame light is your solution. Attaching easily to any frame, it delivers bright, vibrant illumination with multiple flashing modes. Made from durable, weatherproof materials, it ensures safety even in the heaviest rain. Not only does it make you stand out, but it also adds a futuristic glow that turns heads wherever you ride. Night rides just got a major upgrade. Number 4. Feeling uneasy locking your bike in public? The Kryptonite U-Lock is here to save the day. Forged from hardened steel and coated for scratch protection, it resists cutting, leverage attacks, and prying. Its compact design slides easily into mounts while offering maximum security. A must-have for urban riders, this lock provides peace of mind, knowing your ride stays exactly where you left it, safe, sound, and untouched. Number 5. Want to make every ride more fun and visible? The LED bike spoke light is perfect. These colorful, battery-powered lights attach to your wheel spokes, creating dazzling, animated patterns as you ride. Waterproof and easy to install, they boost nighttime visibility and add a touch of flair to every spin. Your wheels will literally be glowing, turning heads and keeping you safe in style. Number 6. Grease and grime slowing you down? The bike chain cleaner is your ultimate solution. This handy gadget scrubs your chain efficiently using rotating brushes and a simple reservoir to remove dirt and buildup. Built from heavy-duty plastic and easy to use, it keeps your drivetrain running smoothly and quietly. Less friction, more speed, and a cleaner ride. It's a game changer for anyone serious about performance. Number 7. Changing tires can be a pain, but the Rehook tire glider makes it effortless. Made from a strong, lightweight polymer, this tool slides easily under the tire bead, reducing hand strain and speeding up installation. Perfect for both road bikes and mountain bikes, it saves time and energy while keeping your rims scratch-free. Every cyclist will love how simple it makes what used to be a frustrating task. Number 8. Struggling to see or be seen during early mornings or late evenings? The KUNHAK bike light set has got you covered. This combo pack includes a super bright headlight and a flashing rear tail light. USB rechargeable, water resistant, and lightweight, it's ideal for any weather. With multiple modes and long battery life, you'll ride confidently knowing that visibility and safety are dialed in every single time. Number 9. Want your pedaling to shine as bright as your spirit? The bike LED pedals are here. Built with durable aluminum and high-impact LED modules, these pedals light up with every rotation. Easy to install and powered by replaceable batteries, they boost nighttime visibility and add a futuristic flair. Every pedal stroke becomes a spectacle, making your evening rides safe, fun, and totally next level. Number 10. Tired of hand signals getting ignored in traffic? Bike turn signals are the perfect upgrade. This wearable wireless system attaches to your handlebars, column, or helmet, giving clear LED arrows for left and right turns. Water resistant, lightweight, and easy to activate, it keeps your intentions obvious to cars and pedestrians alike. Forget guessing games at intersections. These signals make every turn predictable, safe, and stylish. Number 11. Worried about head safety without compromising style? The Schwinn Thrasher helmet is your ultimate protector. Lightweight yet super durable, it features a sleek aerodynamic design with adjustable straps for a perfect fit. Ventilation holes keep you cool, and the impact-resistant shell ensures maximum protection on every ride. Whether hitting city streets or rugged trails, this helmet keeps your head safe while looking absolutely next level. Number 12. Struggling to see the road ahead in dim light? The LED bike light is your go-to solution. Compact, rechargeable, rechargeable, and water-resistant, it delivers bright, steady illumination with multiple modes. Easy to mount on any handlebar, it keeps you visible to traffic and pedestrians while lighting up the path ahead. Perfect for commuting, night rides, or early morning spins, this light turns darkness into pure confidence. Number 13. Hate worrying about bike theft when parked outside? The Titanker bike chain lock has you covered. Crafted from hardened steel with a protective vinyl coating, it resists cutting and tampering. Extra long length wraps easily around poles, posts, or fences, while the secure locking mechanism is quick and user-friendly. It's a must-have for city riders who want maximum security without slowing down their adventures. Number 14. Curious how fast or far you're really riding? The BAFANG Speedometer delivers accurate, real-time stats. With an LCD display, it tracks speed, distance, ride time, and more. Simple to mount on any handlebar, it's lightweight, weatherproof, and easy to read while riding. Perfect for performance-focused cyclists or weekend explorers, it keeps you informed and motivated, turning every ride into a mini adventure with precise numbers at your fingertips. Number 15. Struggling with visibility from behind? The Canway bike tail light solves that problem. Super bright LEDs, multiple flashing modes, and a rechargeable battery make it reliable in any weather. Easy to attach to the seat post or rear frame, it ensures you're seen from a distance, boosting nighttime safety. Sleek, lightweight, and durable, this taillight is a simple upgrade that dramatically increases your visibility and peace of mind. Number 16. Need quick access to your essentials while riding? The Rhinowalk Bike Handlebar Bag is the answer. Crafted from water-resistant sturdy materials, it mounts securely to any handlebar. With multiple compartments and easy zipper access, it keeps your phone, keys, and snacks organized and within reach. Perfect for daily commutes or long rides, this bag combines style, convenience, and durability, making it a cycling companion you'll never want to leave behind. Number 17. Want to add some fun tunes to your ride? The bike speaker is the perfect gadget. Compact, waterproof, and rechargeable. It clips easily to your handlebars or frame. Delivers crisp, loud sound that travels with you without disturbing others. With Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs with any device in seconds. Turn your solo rides into a mobile party, pump up the jams on group rides, or just enjoy your favorite tunes while cruising in style. Number 18. Frustrated with chain maintenance slowing you down? The chain back tool is here to help. Made from durable alloy, it quickly installs and removes bike chains with minimal effort. Compact and lightweight, it fits in any toolkit or pocket. Ideal for road warriors and mountain bikers alike, it keeps your drivetrain in peak condition and saves you time and hassle. No more struggling with stubborn chains. Maintenance has never been this easy. Number 19. Looking for a simple way to be seen from behind? The bike tail light is your go-to solution. Small yet powerful, it delivers bright, flashing LEDs that increase visibility during low light rides. Easy to mount, waterproof, and rechargeable, it's perfect for commuters or night adventurers. This tiny gadget dramatically enhances safety, letting you ride confidently knowing that vehicles and pedestrians can see you clearly from afar. Number 20. Need extra storage without bulky backpacks? The bike bag is here to save your ride. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it mounts securely to your frame or rear rack. Multiple compartments keep gear organized, from snacks to tools to personal items. Lightweight and sleek, it doesn't interfere with your ride while adding serious carrying capacity. A must-have for long rides, errands, or commuting. It keeps everything you need within easy reach. Wow, what a ride! If you loved exploring these mind-blowing gadgets with us, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss the next adventure. And hey, if you're itching to get your hands on any of the awesome gear we showed today, check out the links in the description. Your next gadget obsession is just a click away. Thanks for joining the journey. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and remember, at Bikely, curiosity always leads the way.